Good morning everyone, we're down at the Isle of Grain. Just set up, John's on to official ready.
Feels like a little bass, mate, to be honest with you.
A little bass, that's what our target species is today. Hopefully come and get a couple of bass. I need a nice keeper so I can take the trophy home.
I don't know, I might be tangled. It's quite weird, Charlie. Oh, it's come off, mate.
It's come off?
Yeah,
well,
it's just come off, man.
You sure?
No, it's still on there.
So you don't know what he's talking about. There's a little bass, what we come here for, nice. Yeah, hold it up for the camera, John. Yeah, nice. I did say I wanted to cast on the left hand side and he was like, nope, I always cast on the left, so
no,
I ended up having to go to the right.
I gave him the choice.
No, he did give me the choice, I'm just a sore loser. Do you want me to unhook it for you, mate?
No, you're alright.
Do you want Uncle Charlie to do it?
I like to do it nice and gentle for him.
Go on and let it swim off. Lovely jubbly.
Auto release, yeah?
Yep. Let it recover.
Gone. Look at that, look.
Gone. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, John's had one little schoolie. I've had a crab. He's over there just trying to get a fire going. Because there is a bit of a bite to it today. It's only about 12 to 15 mile an hour northeasterly, but it is that northeasterly, so you know, it's got a bit of a bite to it. But it's surprisingly calm out there, considering. I'm just waiting for my little take. Butterfingers. John's got bass number 2.
Another little one.
Here we go, look. There she goes.
You see it, yeah?
I'm still on 0. Very weedy out there. All this one in. There's a lot of weed on that. Oh, it's only been out there about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes.
Weird though, because there ain't no weed on the surface.
No, yeah, you're right. You've got a little bit on the shore, but you can't see any like raft of it out there. Oh, cannot catch a fish. That's what we're dealing with.
Turn to the side. Start bringing them in.
And that's what it needs to do. That turn of the tide. Hopefully the fishing picks up. John's had 2 bass, I've had nothing. Loads of debris in the water. John's made himself a little fire over here. He's chuffed to bits with it.
Don't worry guys, I will put it out when we leave so I know it won't cause any other fires.
Leave no trace. Leave no trace, but footsteps in the sand.
We are still in the winter as well, so
It is cold.
everything's damp.
It is cold. Damn.
It keeps you warm, guys, it keeps you warm.
Yeah, that's John. Tripod, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll move it back.
see so much debris in the water. It's disgusting. Plastic absolutely everywhere. You could fill up 100 bin bags along this stretch of beach. Humans, eh? We're our own worst nightmare.
So it was never like this in the 90s, that's like early 2000s as well.
Disgusting, isn't it, John? Disgusting that.
Since a certain type of people have been coming into this country.